Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video to any of you guys trying to find where the fuses relays for the clutch pedal switch, also known as CPP, is located on Volkswagen Tiguan 3rd generation with manual transmission. If you have that problem, guys, stay with us, we'll explain where you can find it. Please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until we watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. After that, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we will share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can guys see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. The clutch pedal switch, guys, the CPP fuses relays, where we're going to find them. We're going to come under the hood, facing the engine now, here on the right side, on the driver's side, with the main engine fuse box under that cover here. You need to just slide these things to the front, open it, and you have a fuse box with that layout. Oh, by the way, guys, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay? They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. So this is the fuse box layout for 2012 to 2017 Volkswagen Tiguan. After the facelift, we'll explain about that first, and then we'll explain about 2008 to 2011 year model Volkswagen Tiguan. First, if you have a 12 to 17 Tiguan, we need to check fuse number 20, and if you, okay, look at that, that's that fuse right here, the fuse numbers will be right next to it. Now, guys, here if you have a 2008 to 2011 model, the fuse box will differ, and we will need to check specifically, guys, here, fuse number 22. So if you come in that one, we're talking about this one. That fuse right here. You don't have any relays, you just have these fuses that you need to check on your Volkswagen Tiguan that are known as relay fuses as well. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.